One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch is a timeless investment guide that provides valuable insights and practical advice for individual investors looking to achieve success in the stock market. Drawing from his own experience as a renowned fund manager, Lynch shares his investment philosophy and offers key lessons for identifying profitable investment opportunities. The book begins by challenging the notion that individual investors cannot beat professional fund managers. Lynch argues that individual investors have significant advantages, such as the ability to spot investment opportunities in their everyday lives. He encourages readers to leverage their knowledge and expertise in specific industries or areas to identify potential winning stocks. Lynch emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research and analysis. He encourages investors to invest in companies they understand and to take advantage of their own personal experiences and observations. By applying a bottom-up approach, Lynch suggests that investors can uncover undervalued companies with strong growth potential before Wall Street catches on. One of the central themes of the book is the concept of investing in what you know. Lynch believes that ordinary investors have a better chance of understanding the potential of a company if they are familiar with its products, services, or industry. By conducting thorough research, analyzing financial statements, and staying informed, investors can make informed decisions and potentially find lucrative investment opportunities. Lynch also emphasizes the importance of patience and long-term investing. He encourages investors to ignore short-term market fluctuations and focus on the long-term growth prospects of the companies they invest in. Lynch believes that successful investing requires the ability to stay calm during market downturns and to hold on to quality investments even during periods of volatility. Furthermore, Lynch provides insights into different types of stocks and highlights the potential of various investment opportunities. He discusses the different categories of stocks, including slow growers, fast growers, cyclicals, turnarounds, and asset plays. He explains how each type of stock carries its own risks and rewards and provides guidance on how to evaluate and approach each category. Throughout the book, Lynch emphasizes the importance of maintaining a disciplined and rational approach to investing. He cautions against following market fads, timing the market, or relying solely on tips and rumors. Instead, he advocates for a systematic approach to investing, with a focus on fundamental analysis, careful evaluation, and a long-term perspective. In summary, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch offers valuable lessons for individual investors seeking to navigate the stock market successfully. Lynch's emphasis on conducting thorough research, investing in what you know, and maintaining a long-term perspective provides a solid foundation for making informed investment decisions. By following his practical advice and adopting a patient and disciplined approach, investors can increase their chances of achieving success in the stock market.